Alright, so you already bought yourself a dash cam after watching my videos, and now what? You're just sitting idle waiting for the dash cam to arrive. Well, why waste time when you can buy some super cool dash cam accessories? Yes, in this video I'll be discussing some important accessories which can enhance your entire experience of using a dash camera. And the advantage of buying the accessories right now is that in this Amazon sale you'll get them at additional extra discounted prices, which will probably help you save yourself a lot of money. That being said, if you still haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button right now and smash that like button, and also consider joining this channel as a member, because each member will stand a chance to win a premium dash camera every month of 2025, along with some additional perks such as loyalty badges and shoutouts in videos. That being said, you're watching Travel Tech. Let's get started. So one of the most commonly available accessories for practically every dashcam that's out there is a hardwire kit. So now many people don't really understand what a hardwire kit is, and they get confused and they ask me, what's a hardwire kit for? Well, basically you use a hardwire kit to obtain parking monitoring from your dash camera, which means when your car is parked, if you want the dash cam to monitor the surroundings of the car, you need to install a hardwire kit. Otherwise, the dashcam will be probably off and you won't be able to get any sort of recordings. Now, hardwire kits are of two types: regular fuse-based types and OBD2 adapter types. Fuse-based types plug in into the fuse box of your car, and OBD2 types plug in into the OBD2 port of your car. Well, the OBD2 hardwire kits are very convenient and easy to use, practically plug and play, just like plugging in a switch, wherein the fuse-based types are little complicated for the average person. You'll have to identify the proper fuses, you'll have to insert them in the fuse box, you'll have to attach the grounding wire. It kind of gets a bit technical, and someone with a proper knowledge only can be able to do the installation. That being said, OBD2 kits are not available for every dashcam that's out there, but the regular fuse tab based hardwire kits are more or less available for every single dash camera. So if you want to buy a hardwire kit for your dashcam and you want to obtain parking monitoring from your dash camera when it's parked, a hardwire kit is your ideal solution. So I'll be putting up links for all the online available hardwire kits on Amazon and on other websites, but it's impossible to put out every single link in the description. It's not practically possible. So just do write down in the comments your particular brand name and model name of the dashcam. I'll try to find a compatible hardwire kit and give you the link right down in the comments below. That being said, moving on from the hardwire kit to the next best accessory which you can buy for your dash camera, that's a CPL filter. When you put a CPL filter, the video quality improves by reducing the glare, reducing the reflection of the dashboard. Not that the dashcam will stop working without the CPL filter, it won't, it will still keep recording, but for that improvement in the video quality, for that crispness in the video quality, adding in a CPL filter will definitely help. But the thing with CPL filter is it's not available for every brand and every dashcam. Only few limited brands and few limited models have compatible CPL filters, and not all brands do get it. Again, I'll be providing you the links for the available CPL filters in the description below, and of course you can also comment down below your particular brand and model name of the dashcam. I'll try to find a CPL filter for it if it is available. Now that we've gotten CPL filters out of the way, the next best accessory which you can buy for your dash camera is a suction mount. Yes, suction mounts really help in installing or even detaching the dash cam at your own will. It takes out the hassle of having to stick the gum tape and then try to peel off the gum tape with a lot of hard work. Suction mounts are generally available for the budget segment cameras and a few premium cameras from 70mm such as the A810, A510 and the others. And of course, as similar to the CPL filters, suction mounts are not available for every dashcam. Only very few limited brands and very few models have support for a suction mount. That being said, I'll provide you the links for the available suction mounts in the description. If your camera comes within that list, go ahead, grab that suction mount. Makes life much easier of having to use a dash camera. Now, along with these three accessories, few brands, few cameras are even offered a CPL filter for their rear camera as well. Now, most brands offer CPL filter only for the front camera, but only few selected brands such as VIOFO offer rear camera CPL, and along with that also offer a wireless remote control. A very super cool accessory. I've just made a very detailed review video on the remote control. You just need to take a look at it. So if you have those compatible dash cams, or if you're planning on getting one, getting a wireless remote for a dash cam and getting a rear CPL filter will definitely enhance your experience of having to use the dash cam, will give you that premium and that luxurious feel. Now the rear CPL filters of course do the same job as what they do in the front CPL. Take out the glare from the rear, take out the reflection from the rear windshield, and of course wireless remotes are such a cool accessory. You get to mount it anywhere on your car. They are connected to the dashcam via Bluetooth, and in emergency situations you can just click the button on the remote to make the dashcam record an emergency video. And of course you can also assign various different functions to the remote, such as to turn on or turn off the Wi-Fi, or to turn on or turn off the mic, and 10-12 other functions which are easily customizable. So the wireless remotes are currently available for VIOFO cameras, and even the rear CPL are currently available for it. So I'll give you the links right there, and of course if you want to make use of these accessories, you should make sure that you go ahead and buy a VIOFO camera. The links to those cameras I have provided in most of my other videos which you just saw the entire day. That being said, these 5 accessories, the hardware kit, the CPL filter, the suction mount, the wireless remote and the rear CPL, definitely make a value addition to your dashcam experience. And if you're someone who has already ordered a dashcam in this Amazon sale or planning on getting one, make sure you grab one of these accessories to make your life much easier. That being said, if you still have any queries or doubts regarding any of the accessories which I just mentioned in this video, do write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're finding it difficult to find that particular accessory for your car, write that down in the comments as well. I'll try to get that link for you. And of course, one more important accessory, it's kind of not an accessory, it's an absolute essential part of a dashcam: memory cards. So if you buy a dashcam, not many brands offer memory cards right in the box. You'll have to purchase a memory card separately. So I'll give you the links for the compatible memory cards based on the resolution of your dash cameras, either Full HD camera or 2K camera or 4K cameras. So the links to those compatible memory cards will also be given in the description. If you bought a dashcam, go ahead and buy that memory card as well. So this was the special video on the dashcam accessories for this Amazon sale. And if you like this video and if you like the way I presented it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button, and also don't go without hitting the bell icon so that you get notified each time I upload a new video. Also go ahead and join in as a member of Travel Tech and stand a chance to win a premium dash camera every month of 2025. I'll be starting the giveaway pretty soon. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.